Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping both apps. Close Roblox, then quit Discord from the system tray so no background process remains. Once done, make sure you have the latest Discord and Roblox updates installed because most capture bugs get fixed in patches. Also update your GPU drivers since outdated drivers often cause rendering conflicts. Next, decide whether you'll share the Roblox window or the entire screen. Choose the Roblox application window to reduce overlay issues, and keep track of which GPU is active for Roblox. Now focus on capture method and app permissions. First, select application capture in Discord and pick Roblox. That prevents white flashing tied to browser compositing. If you still see flashes, turn off Discord hardware acceleration because acceleration can conflict with Roblox's renderer. Restart Discord after toggling. Also try launching Roblox and Discord as administrator. This grants proper access to graphics buffers. If you use multiple GPUs, force Roblox onto the discrete GPU in your graphics control panel. Finish by changing Discord's streaming encoder. Switch from hardware to software encoding, or the opposite, because that swap often resolves rendering mismatches. Then set Roblox to windowed or borderless mode. This stabilizes frame buffers and prevents the white flash caused by exclusive full screen. Once done, restart your PC to clear residual drivers and test a short share with a friend. If the issue remains, gather Discord logs and a short video of the flash. Those help when reporting to support or troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.